Okay friends, sometimes you might want to highlight certain set of cells to indicate the user that these cells are not meant to overwrite. These cells contain formula like total. You don't want your user to enter data over here. Here calculation is taking place and you don't want anybody to override them. So to do that, you can highlight these cells indicating that these are not meant to be overwritten. To do that, first of all, we will select all the range of cells that we do not want to be overwritten. That is those which contain formula. This is this contains formula, this does not, and this set over here contains the formula. To select multiple ranges that are discrete, we press Control key on the keyboard, and while holding Control key we select another range. So this lets us select multiple ranges. Now I'm going to select all the cells on my worksheet which contain formula, and now once I have selected this set of cells, I can highlight them using the fill button in the font section of the home ribbon over here. This fill color button, under this I will select something light and now we have the set of cells containing formula have been highlighted. Now this will tell the user, indicate the user that these are not meant to be overwritten, even though they can be if the user wants. You can also unhighlight cells by selecting the range of cells you want to unhighlight. Like if you want to unhighlight this set of cells, after selecting the range, go under the fill button and select no fill. This button will unhighlight the selected range as can be seen here.